When it comes to home improvement projects in Houston, few things can elevate the aesthetic and functionality of your home quite like new windows. However, the installation process is just as important as the quality of the windows themselves. Choosing to have your windows professionally installed offers numerous advantages that go beyond just a simple upgrade. Here are 5 key benefits of professional window installation in Houston. Enhanced energy efficiency. Houston is known for its hot summers and mild winters, which means keeping your home comfortable year-round requires energy-efficient solutions. Professional window installation ensures that your new windows are installed to maximize energy efficiency, helping to reduce heating and cooling costs. Expert installers have the knowledge and experience to properly seal your windows, preventing air leaks that can cause your HVAC system to work harder than necessary. High-quality windows, such as double-pane or low-E windows, combined with proper installation, can greatly reduce the amount of heat entering your home during the summer and retain warmth during winter. This leads to a more consistent indoor temperature, less reliance on your air conditioning and heating, and lower energy bills. Improved home security. Your windows are one of the most vulnerable entry points to your home. A professional window installation can significantly increase your home's security by ensuring that your windows are properly secured and fit snugly into their frames. Experienced installers use high-quality materials and precise techniques to make sure your windows are firmly in place. Professional installation also allows for the integration of advanced locking mechanisms, shatter-resistant glass, or reinforced frames, which can provide additional protection against break-ins. Whether you're installing new windows or replacing old, worn-out ones, working with professionals ensures that your windows provide better security for your home and family. Boosted curb appeal and property value. Windows are a prominent feature of your home's exterior, and when installed properly, they can greatly enhance its curb appeal. Professional window installers can help you choose the right style, size, and color of windows that match your home's architectural design and aesthetic preferences. Whether you're looking for a modern, sleek look or a more traditional style, professionals can offer a variety of options that complement your home's character. Additionally, installing high-quality windows is an investment that can boost the overall value of your property. Homes with newer, well-installed windows are often more attractive to potential buyers and can command a higher selling price. Whether you plan to stay in your home for years or sell it in the near future, investing in professional window installation can pay off in the long run. Increased comfort and reduced noise. Living in Houston means dealing with a variety of outdoor elements, from the sweltering heat to the occasional noisy street traffic. Professional window installation can significantly improve your home's comfort by reducing unwanted noise and providing better insulation against the elements. High-performance windows installed by experts can help block out external noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Whether you live near a busy street, in a high-traffic neighborhood, or simply want to escape the sounds of everyday life, properly installed windows can make a noticeable difference. Additionally, by improving your home's insulation, new windows can make your living spaces more comfortable, regardless of the season. Long-term durability and maintenance saving. When you invest in professional window installation, you're also investing in long-term durability and maintenance savings. Poorly installed windows can lead to a variety of issues, including water damage, air leaks, and the need for frequent repairs. Professional installation ensures that your windows are correctly fitted and sealed, reducing the likelihood of future problems. Quality installation also means that your windows will last longer and require less maintenance over time. You'll be able to enjoy the benefits of new windows without worrying about the need for constant upkeep. Furthermore, professional installers often offer warranties on their work, giving you peace of mind that your windows will perform optimally for years to come. Conclusion. In Houston, the combination of extreme weather and an active real estate market makes professional window installation a smart investment for homeowners. From enhancing energy efficiency and improving security to boosting curb appeal and reducing maintenance, the benefits of professional window installation are clear. If you're ready to upgrade your home with new windows, partnering with experienced professionals is the key to ensuring that your investment delivers the best possible results for years to come.